Hey, still out here in Austin, being a bum. Feeling like a little unmotivated right now. I feel like a few things have happened in the last few days that make me want to run home. I was doing some deliveries on a bike, and I've just been using, here in Austin there's like a bike sharing kind of thing. You can get the app and like unlock bikes, and it's only $11 a month, and you get like unlimited access and rides from these bikes, and they have electric bikes. So I've just been, for $11 a month I got a membership, and I've just been like riding electric bikes around town doing deliveries, which yeah, I just wanted to make a video about that. Probably not this one, but just like if you're wanting to make some money and you don't really have anywhere else to go, all you need is like a smartphone and just like download Uber Eats or DoorDash or whatever, and you can come here, and for $11 a month you have a bike. That's all you need, just like a phone and a bike, and you can start making money. Yeah, and you can like camp out here. I actually didn't even realize this until a couple weeks ago, but it's actually legal to camp in public areas in Austin. So you see like tents pretty much all over the place here. I think it's only you just can't you can't camp in like open parks, but you can go into like pretty much any woods or public areas, even like on the sidewalk. It's literally legal as long as you're not like obstructing the walking path. You can set up a tent on the sidewalk and camp there, and it's completely legal. So that's really cool. I feel like the police here are really lenient and really cool about a lot of things. And so yeah, this is a great place to kind of be homeless and camp out. And then yeah, for making money, just download the app, like a delivery app, and then pay $11 to get like unlimited bikes, and electric bikes at that. And yeah, you can start doing deliveries and easily make like $500 a week if you work a little bit. But anyways, I was doing deliveries this morning, and my electric bike got stolen because I didn't have a lock, which yeah, I mean, I wasn't being careful. I've been doing deliveries on these electric bikes for like probably about 3 weeks now. The bike that I did have, which I bought, got stolen a few weeks ago. I didn't want to buy another one, so I tried the like bike share system here, which I really like. But yeah, I was just doing a delivery, and then I came out of the apartment and the bike was stolen. So now I feel like slightly defeated and a little lonely. And yeah, I've just been thinking about wanting to go home the last few days. And I'm eating a bunch of chocolate to suppress all these feelings and feel a little better in the moment. But yeah, so right now on the app, it shows that I'm riding a bike because somebody took it and still has it. So I also can't like do deliveries right now and make money. I have to wait till that gets situated. But yeah, I'm kind of just ranting out my emotions and giving a little update. This isn't the kind of update that I wanted to give, but just sort of all happened, and wanted to let it out. And it feels like really free to be living this way, but there's always like ups and downs, and wanting to run back to wherever is comfortable for you. For me, it's just like going back to my mom's house and feeling that sort of security. I also had to move my campsite a few days ago. I got like a letter from the police. I might have been on like slightly on like some private property or something. I'm not sure. But they just wrote me a letter saying that I had to move my campsite, so I did that. And yeah, it feels like all these different shifts are happening. And that tends to be when I want to bring out a lot of coping mechanisms, like eating mostly, or possibly like masturbation or something. But eating is definitely number one. Anything, like any slight shift happens in my lifestyle, and I just like run to comfort food. But yeah, I haven't really, I don't know what I feel like doing with my life right now. I've kind of just been working and kind of saving a little bit of money. And yeah, I don't feel super inspired right now. I think my plan was to go to Hawaii. I'm not totally sure that I even want to do that. What I'd really like is to go home and try and do some fasting, but I feel like I can almost guarantee that if I go home, I'm just gonna like eat worse. I'm gonna probably try and fast for like 2 days and then just start eating junk again. Yeah, I want, I guess I'd call it help. I mean, I really just want to like be living with other people constantly. I feel like I'm able to kind of not deal with a lot of my problems because I work so much. That's been like a huge thing for me in the past, is being a workaholic. And so I'm just like doing deliveries all day. But yeah, when there's like a shift, something changes, then yeah, I definitely start to feel lonely. And I have plenty of connection and interaction, especially right now in COVID. I have a lot of friends here in Austin, and I hang out with people on a pretty regular basis. Go on like hikes and stuff with friends. But yeah, I don't know. There's like some needy part of me that feels like it just needs to live with somebody. I have to be like completely immersed in some kind of connection, I think, to like feel really good and stay consistently motivated. I ate all of my chocolate. I'm gonna end this video now. I hope that you got some enjoyment out of it. It feels kind of, I don't know, like lame for me. Like there's some part of me that's saying that these videos just have no point. But yeah, let me know if you like these little videos of expression. Okay, goodbye.